Finally got myself a nice impact wrench. Picked this up from Home Depot yesterday. I've been wanting one of these for so long. This right here is my favorite tool. I picked this up for Black Friday and I use this so often. I freaking love this thing. But yeah, so I want to get some more stuff for the garage. I got this flag up here from Amazon. It was pretty cheap. So I got that from Amazon, and then I don't know why I put on my sunshades as well. I also got these from Amazon. Oh, I don't know why I put it on in the garage. I guess I just like how it looks matching with the flag. If you guys like these, they're pretty cheap. I have a link in my description if you guys want to pick these up from Amazon. They're pretty cheap, but yeah, if you guys have any ideas of what else I can do in here, let me know. Up here I just have my TV and then all my weights and stuff like that. What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. My name is Jaime. If you guys are new, this is Project F80. So today we're gonna be doing the oil change on my car. I got my M3 back here. It's gonna be the first oil change that I do on this car. So hopefully it goes well. I've never done it. I just had to order some tools. I'll show you guys. So I got this here. I didn't have one of these. I think BMWs for the most part all have the same size oil filter cap, and it just helps you remove it, because other than that there's no real way to get it off. So I just picked this up. I got this off of Amazon. It was like 10 bucks and I got here in like 2 days. So I'm gonna have the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up for your car. And as far as the oil I'm going with, I actually ordered this off of FCP Euro, the Pinto High Performance 530 oil. What I'm gonna do first is actually remove the oil filter first. I'm gonna put these towels all around there just to help me from making a big ass mess. Amazon oil filter remover right here. All right, perfect. Alright guys, so I got all the towels kind of tucked in there, hopefully to soak up most of the oil that comes out of there. Now we're going to go ahead and loosen up this. I got my tool. There you go. Yeah, these shouldn't go on very tight, so. Alright, there you guys have it. That's what it looks like on the inside. This is the first time I've done this, so interesting. It's a lot different than JDM cars is what I'm used to. So go ahead and pull this out. Alright guys, so for the drain plug, it's actually going to be a Torx bit. Get this off. I'm going to be using the T50. We got this little cutout right here, so makes it super convenient. Oh, there you go. Alright guys, there she goes. Dripping into there. Super easy. So we're just gonna let that drain out all the way. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and prep the oil filter housing. Get it ready to put it back in. So there's two little O-rings on here. There's this little top one right here, and then this big one down here. So we'll just take that off real quick. Just pop this off right here. We got the new one right here. Just go ahead and slide it on. A little hard since it's a little slippery. There you go. Awesome. Got the new one in there, so we got both of them in there. And then you have your actual oil filter right here. Just make sure you press it all the way down. That's it. Drain plug right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and pop this back in. So we're just gonna put this back in, and then I did a quick search on the forums real quick, and it says for the drain plug you want to tighten it to 20 Newton meters. I actually don't have a torque wrench that goes down that low. I just realized that mine is 20 newton meters is about like 14 and a half foot-pounds, but my torque wrench only goes down to 20 foot-pounds. So we're just gonna hand tighten it, and you just definitely don't want to go too tight. If you guys have done oil changes in the past, you kind of get a feel for how tight it should be, to be honest. All right, so we have our prepped oil filter here. Just gonna go right back in there. And then for this, the form said that it's supposed to be 25 newton meters. But again, I don't have the right torque wrench for that, so we're just gonna hand tighten it and give it a little turn with the actual socket, and we should be good. But if you want to do the proper way, make sure you get the right torque wrench. I'll make sure to do that. There you go. Just have to hit it a little bit on the sides just to get it to loosen up. Clean this off. Stupid me. There's a freaking, it's got another cap right there, I'm an idiot. All right, second try, let's go. Ooh. All right, not too bad. Just dripped a little bit, not bad at all. All right, there's the first 5. Let's do a third. 1.5 and we'll be set. All right guys, last one, we're just gonna do half. Luckily they have these little clear sections so you can see how much is left in there. That was about a fourth. A little bit more. A little bit more still. All right guys, that is half right there, so 6.5. We should be good. Guys, we have the car back on the ground now. Everything was solid, no leaks anywhere. So we are good to go there. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to reset the actual odometer, I guess, the reading for your servicing. So to reset it, you're just gonna wanna turn the car on to accessory mode. So don't hold your foot on the brake, just press it once. And then we gotta wait for this to go away. So I changed my oil pretty early compared to what I needed to, but that's just how I like to do it. So that went away, so you just wanna hold down this odometer button down here. It's gonna take a few seconds. There you go. So engine oil reset possible. So it's reset now in the computer, and that's all you have to do. So later on when I go for a drive, I'm just gonna make sure the engine oil level is good. Vehicle status, it's gonna be right there. Measure engine oil level, but your car has to be on to do that. So all right guys, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching it. It wasn't like a super in detail how to change your oil, but it was my first oil change, so I want to see how it went and kind of show you guys the process. So one thing I learned is definitely I need to get a smaller, a lower torque wrench, something that can go down to the 20-25 newton meter like I need for this car. But I'll be good for now, but I'll definitely order that for the next time. And then as far as tools, all you guys need for my car, it was the T50 Torx. That's what I used. And then this, which I got off of Amazon, and just a socket to loosen both and tighten both. That's it. And then your oil. You guys have a good day. Make sure to drop a like, leave a comment if you guys have any questions or any suggestions, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good weekend. Peace out.